Martin did say,
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
yes, he did say that.
So, what's up?
Joker
It's
D.
Tuesday. We're trying to get in the money right now.
Okay, now, hey, how about tip of the week? James, what you got for us? Our tip of the week here today is emotions. Emotions. How are your emotions? Obviously, mine are pretty stoked here today, and I'm pretty excited. But, before reacting to a situation, take a moment to pause, step back, reevaluate, ask yourself whether your emotional response is appropriate. And if not, consider a different view. John, what do you got?
Yeah, emotions are always going to be part of trading, no matter how much we try and deny them. They're going to be there. Recognition, as Eddie's kind of talking about, of whether the decision you're about to make is based in emotion or fear, or if it's a cognitive decision, is going to always be something we have to ask ourselves. I always try and ask myself before any trade that I take, especially if I might be leaning towards the emotional side, is what I'm doing in my best interest? That might take any emotional or uh, 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 kind of brash decisions, and kind of make me think about them just for a second before I do it. But emotions can be good information for you. They can also steer you away from good decision making. So emotions a big part of trading, always will be.
Agreed, 100%. All right, let's move on to our charts. And Johnny, what do you got for our contestants today?
All right, as always, starting with the daily in the S&Ps, and we just have no reason to sell this thing, it seems, anymore. We are really leaning into the severe greed factor in these markets, but they just keep on continuing to pay the longs. We broke out to the upside on the daily chart. We had 2 days of balance. We had 3 days of balance, with a little bit of an indication of potential change in direction, but that was all squashed yesterday when price broke out above the previous balance, continued to move higher, brought in 29,000 in open interest. These markets are so resilient, and there is a lot of money out there, and apparently a lot of it still left to come into the long side. So this breakout from balance and the increase in open interest is indicating a relatively successful continuing upside auction. We had a month-long area here of consolidation. We had a breakout above it, a brief period of consolidation. Now the market looks primed to continue to move to the upside. Now, you have to remember, there's a lot of information, a lot of things coming out this week that can seriously accelerate this move or change the move to another area of balance or a push to the downside. If we take a look here at the 30-minute chart, and you say we're
Yeah,
looking for the
because
downside,
what I'm looking at now is a short sale right here. I could be
is,
on the opposite side, but
just continuing to pay longs and bring pain upon shorts. That's what these equity markets have done for 40 years. They get everybody short, and then they run it up on them. So that's something we really want to be careful. On the 30-minute chart, overnight inventory is a little bit to the short side. We're looking at this 49.34 quarter and this trend line off these two levels here as the breakout point from the area of balance that we were in up to this point, up to late in the session yesterday. Now this late push leaves basically a late spike.
kind of see where I got myself in a bad position here because I'm in the middle of nowhere and I'm neither at a resistance nor a support here.
And then closes without giving traders and price time to show acceptance above those levels. Well, if that's the case on the profile, when the late spike begins, the base of the late spike, and there's kind of two, it's more of a zoning of the base of the late spike today. 49.3275, 49.3275 right here, and then there's another kind of breakout right here at 49.27 quarter. So this area here looks like where the market really started to accelerate to the upside. Somewhere in here is opportunity
Wow. So right now we're kind of tanking here. So I just been waiting on this trade. Now that I feel like we pushed down, we got to push this further down below. Now we're gonna see if we can get up here in the um um this trade over here.
So this whole area here, from this trend line, from last week's high to the base of the late spike,
We want to hold to the end of this candle. This at least 31 seconds.
supportive above that level. If we break that level, we're looking maybe a move down to around 4,900 if that's the case. Now,
So this is kind of what I was looking for here.
we can't hold support. That's the only thing that might be, that might have me thinking about looking for something to the short side.
Okay, so right now we're in the shorts. We're up about 550 bucks right now. I think we're moving down a little bit.
So I'm going to be trading what I see, and knowing what we have coming forward as far as information is concerned. Just trade what you see, look for opportunities. Longs are probably going to be for a longer time frame. Shorts, as long as we hold these support levels, will be very short-lived if I even take shorts. Now, one of the things that we look at in
Now we're gonna be selling into this.
the opening range trade has not provided either extreme of the initial balance for 14 straight sessions. 14 straight sessions. Now, that doesn't mean it didn't.
We're gonna sell into the ask here when we push one more. Maybe we get like a couple ticks down. I'm gonna sell here, moving down. Yeah, we're selling here.
In 14
So
sessions. It's almost due. Something tells me that
yeah, so we're gonna take off
probably for
a couple here.
this week. We'll be keeping track. We'll be watching. We'll see how that plays out.
I'll sell.
Take a look now at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is at time
I'm gonna sell one here, and then I'm gonna have my stops here.
Here we go. Of the bull flag that we've been kind of eyeballing for the last session or so. So here is the daily chart. We did break out and close above the trend line. That's the top of this potential bull flag.
We're gonna keep our stop losses tight.
Would bring a new leg higher, but overall it's still somewhat range bound because we still haven't taken out the high that came in last Wednesday the 24th.
And we're just gonna hold this. If we get stopped out, no big deal.
The trend line, which we closed above, moving back towards it where we are right now,
We'll still see that.
at least it provides an opportunity. Risk.
But we would like to take advantage of this move down if we kind of break these lows. So
Is likely to fail, and most breakouts do. Again, we added 5,600 in open interest on this push to the upside yesterday. Volume in the futures wasn't all that tremendous.
because we are still heading down before the next market open. So if we can keep pushing down here, I mean, this is looking nice for our little one lot here. We might get a couple extra $100. So far, we're up $209 for today with 160 floating P&L right now. If we break these lows, then I'm definitely gonna buy this. Yeah, we're gonna.
Opportunity to limit risk. I would look for this to maybe hold as some degree of support. Overnight inventory is short. Did we have the same late spike at the end of the day yesterday?
So yeah, we're gonna.
NASDAQ, approximately 17,635 to 17,610, about a 25-point difference between the breakout here and the breakout.
We're gonna see where this candle goes here. We're pushing down pretty heavily right now.
It looks like it's going to line up pretty closely to the upper trend.
So I'm gonna take it out there.
Intent to recheck.
Could have held for the candle close, right?
If it lines up with this trend line, that gives us some sort of influence that gives us that opportunity.
But that was a very good trade. So we're up $508.40 for the day. So we're gonna keep waiting for the market open.
15 days now. it's coming due to where I'll be looking
Oh, wow. My mic was off the whole time. Wow, boys. Welcome to today's stream. January 30th. Closing near the end of the month. We got some news today at 9 p.m. But we got a great day of trading ahead of us. I took some pre-market action. We're up $1,164. If you guys want to see how I made that, I'll be posting some videos later today on my social media. But man, we had some really good positions this morning. Really good positions, really tight trades, really kind of honing in the whole aspect of just being smart in the markets and looking for what we like to call tilt to one side. So great day. Right now, as you can see, we're about 3 minutes away from the market open, and the market is just shooting up right now. So we were in long positions. We were able to enter down here at this level. Let's take a look here. Let me go ahead and get this marked up for you guys. So we were able to take some buys down here in this level. Now, this we had just broken these previous lows right here. Let's take a look at that. We just broke those previous lows. And this was just right before market open. So we break these lows, which we were in some short positions there because we were looking for a short position. We took a short position up here in this area. Okay, so what we did was early this morning, we took a buy position over here. Let's take a look here. Taking a look, we took a buy position here. And got stopped out up here. Okay, but then we saw this big red candle, and what we did was we took another short here. Okay, rode this wave down, scaled out of positions. All throughout this candle, we were able to scale out some of our positions. So we rode it down here. And then what we did was saw that, again, we're going into market open. Going to take a look here to take a buy, and then rode that all the way back up to where I had originally sold it. So we can make money both ways. We rode the wave both ways. Market is about to open here in about 20 seconds. So let's see what we do. Man. But we're not going to be risking too much more. We might throw in a one lot, but we do have some news at 9 a.m. We have, what do we have? Consumer confidence and JOLTS job opening. So right now it's just going to go crazy. Positions are going to just be destroyed here. This candle is flip-flopping like crazy. You've just seen a million traders lose all their money just in 2 seconds right there, folks. Boom. Stop losses hit. Boom. Okay, so I really still think it's short for some reason. I'm not even worried about it. Just let this candle develop right now because it's got no idea where it even wants to go. So now that we got a green candle, there could be that slight push up, but it might not hold. So we'll wait and see. Some people took some longs there. I don't know about it. I don't know. We'll take one buy. We'll take a buy. It's been paying buys. It's been taking some buys, so we'll take some buys. So she's gonna take that little buy. Yep. And then what happens when people take a lot of buys? They take sells too. And then boom, short side. feel like we got to go short here a little bit, right? We got to.
Different story. Like we saw crude oil get up to 90% long. It's the most we've ever seen. But yes, as far as equities go, I think
No, we got to come back down, folks. We got to come back down.
they've been paying the majority.
We got to come back down, folks.
Ribs,
We got to give some time for the shorts to get in here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's we've been on a 9-day win streak right now. I believe
So-
upwards $18,000 in the last 9 days. So it's been going really well.
Nice.
Yeah.
Food.
So this is in the live account. You're not trading 20 different accounts and switching it up, showing only the winners. It's validated and verified.
So no, we gotta let's just take it when we
See all the
get
trading.
back here. No big deal.
And then, yeah. So good trade.
Just gonna be patient, not too worried.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, it's been a really good past couple stretch of trading sessions here. I am watching right now the Magnificent Seven. Right now, we do see divergence between Apple and Microsoft.
Okay, so now
both the S&P 500.
we might have to
And when I see divergence,
hedge into this position, but we're gonna wait for it to kind of,
even though we are cresting above our level of 76.5, it does give me a little bit of pause.
because I feel like we're still overstretching. I feel like we still need a short gain here under the 670s.
That's created a lot of traps and tricks to avoid. So I am hands off right now. I traded my combines in my own stream. I'm up 1,900 spread across 3 combines right now. So I'm just hands off, waiting for this opening to kind
So
of set its tone. And then of course we do have that important news coming up at 10 a.m.
yeah.
The December JOLTS job openings, as well as the consumer board confidence read that's going to be coming out. And those are going to be very important leading into the FOMC tomorrow.
Yeah, so we're gonna hedge out of these positions here.
Company right now, but can you have 3 funded accounts and then 1 live account? You already have a live account. You can have 3 funded accounts, right? And then if you get live, they'll merge that together. I think we'll ask Mick when he comes on, but I'm almost
That
positive.
is correct, yeah. I have not been trading any of my XFAs. I've only been
Yeah,
focusing
so what we're gonna do is just hedge out of these positions here.
to take. So I've been focusing only on trading my live account in these last 9 sessions when I have a moment to really focus on the market. So that's kind of been my modus operandi for
Like
the
it.
last couple sessions here.
I like it. I mean, that's just you're showing a great job of, and then you're also showing transparency. Great job of switching accounts when the timing is right, or when whatever you deem.
So we're just gonna exit out that position there.
You get my point, but yeah, no, that's really good stuff. It shows a lot of discipline, a lot of dedication. Yeah. Hold on, what Andre?
Johnny, on the liquidity upside, S&P's got filled there. That 400 lot and 300 lot is at what 49.51, 49.51 half. All got filled to the upside. ES man,
58 is the next liquidity. There's
got up there.
400 up there.
400. Yeah, liquidity. I love this. Paper orders love to get filled in ES. It just is, and I've learned and I've utilized it as part of my trading strategy.
So that was another quick trade there. We're essentially done for the day, boys. That was a quick short there for about 300 bucks. You saw it there live. Sorry, boys. Everybody wants to, you know, call me now that the market's open, but yeah, really great day of trading. We did come back from our little loss from yesterday. So we got about a 70% win ratio. I like to see that. And so mind you all, we made $1,500 on last Friday. Then we lost $1,300 yesterday, and now we're up $1,600 for a total of $1,800 in the past 3 days. So it's looking really good. We just have to stay focused and come back. Now, most people will ask me, well, Omar, why don't you keep trading? Well, you gotta have a limit, you know. Otherwise, what you'll find is you'll take one bad trade, and it's happened to me before, and I think I've showed you guys where it just, you take one bad trade, and then let's say I'm up $1,600, but then I lose $300 to $400, maybe $500, right? So now in my head I'm like, man, I just lost. Plus, I don't have as much money as I did before. Right? So then naturally your brain starts to, what we call, tilt. You start to take another one. Because you're like, man, I need that money back. It's mine. I need it, right? Even though it was never yours to begin with, right? So there you go. You place another trade. You double down because you're like, I just want to make it quick. Once I get to my original, I'm out. You double it. Boom. Now you go up from $1,000, $1,100, and now you only have $300 or $400, and now you're really upset because you're like, I just had $1,600. Now I only have $400. Like, this is stupid, right? And then you're just like, I don't care at this point. Let me just place another trade. And there you go. Then you start to lose it all. So it happens. It happened to me yesterday. Actually, that's why I lost the $1,300. Believe it or not, I was up $800 for that day. And then I lost like $300. No big deal, right? I'm still up a very good amount. But in my head, I'm like, well, I just had $800, like almost $900. Like, let me just get back to that. Took another trade, double down. Ooh, now I only have like $100, right? And now it's just proceeded to kind of lose it all, just losing my mind. And that's something that I can admit and say that I still struggle with. I don't want to say struggle with, but I'm more aware of that in my psychology of trading, right? So now that I'm aware, I see the signs, and the best way to prevent it is just to stop. So that's why, you know, I've traded for maybe about 30 minutes and we're done for the day. So if you want to learn to make $1,600 in 30 minutes, let me know. You can follow me, subscribe. Link is in the description. I don't really care. Just, you got to listen to what I got to say, man. Like, it's real. It's possible. You just got to believe you can do it. And as you can see, there's multiple opportunities like in this market. You know, this right here, you'll see a small push up. Okay. After, let's see. So right now where it's at, I wouldn't take anything. I would wait till it comes back up here. Look at it. Look at that. I'll wait till it comes up here. And then take a short. Like, take a short when the candle's moving up here. Take this short. I would take a short, but I could be wrong. I would take a short right there, and my stop losses would be above that. Yeah. So I would easily have taken my shorts right here. This is where I'm taking my shorts. Moving into that wick. So boom, now you're up from going 1670. Right, okay. And then you could even had that stop loss right above. You could have had it at 1680. 1680 would be a good boom. So I still would be a big believer in a short here, just because the way we look on the charts. I just believe it's a nice short. And if I had to eat a loss there, it'd be a good loss. Or are we making a triple tap? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I would have taken shorts. Because what you want to do is take a position in the opposite direction while it's going in that direction, right? So if people are buying it and it's going up, that's when you want to sell. Because that's when you're going to get your best fill, and that's when you're going to get things turning over, right? So right now, we still haven't broken those 680s, right? And now that, look, so that's like $500 right there. Or that's about $300 depending on what size. If you use a 5 lot, that was probably $500 to $1,000 there in that 1 minute candle. And we're still going, and I know we're going to go lower. We're going to break these lows now, right? Because now we've easily found some resistance. That's what I would feel. That's why I would be in the shorts, right? If I was still trading. You could have taken profits there, but I would have waited till this candle closed because we're still red. Hasn't flipped. So I don't know. I'd be in the shorts. And if you weren't up there, because 1680, we never hit 1680. I'm telling you, it's like a mind reader. So I don't even know what to say. Now, if you held that position, you're definitely up a couple $100, even with a one lot. Like that's, if you put one lot in right now where I told you to sell, you would be super good right now. Man, if you guys are trying to get to the money, let me know. I can get you to the money. Yeah, you guys. So again, I mean, we're still moving to the downside. I would have held these shorts. I mean, we never broke 1680, so 1680 would have been my stop easily up here. I mean, this is like a prime example of NQ, like of Nasdaq. Like it loves to do retests because now it's just gonna melt. Like I think now it really is gonna melt because it can only do. I've rarely seen a 4 test, right? Unless it's just a wick. But now if I even wanted to, I could take a sell and I would make something. I feel like. But so we do have that news in 10 minutes. So yeah, you could have taken those profits and still you still at least break even, right? Worst case scenario, if you wanted to hold that trade a little bit longer, at least break even. But if not, you would have still could have made some money, scaled out of your positions, which is what I would have done. So, but we do have that news in 10 minutes. So I would be very cautious if you have a position on right now, because these next couple candles could just be erratic and you don't want to get chopped to pieces from it going back and forth, man. That's like playing tennis in your mind, and it's mentally taxing. You only have so much energy as a trader to kind of actually really focus and understand what you're seeing in real time and try to dissect that data and read all these numbers. Like, it's not as easy as someone would make it look. The skill is actually very easy. Like, trading in itself is very simple, right? You can kind of start understanding technical analysis, like looking for certain resistance and lines and patterns. Like, if you look at it enough, it's actually very easy, the act of trading, right? You're hitting a button to buy or sell. It's the psychological part of trading that actually is why most people don't make it. And I think that's just with life in general. I think most people psych themselves out. They're their worst enemy. I don't know, people self-sabotage, man. You know, like when people ask me how I do it, and I always tell them why, and I just been putting in hours, you know, but it's a skill that can pay tenfold. I couldn't see any other way to, I don't know personally another way I could make $1,600 in 30 minutes unless I had some type of business. There's nowhere that's hiring for $3,000 an hour. If they are, let me know. I'll apply, right? But I'm probably not qualified for that position, okay? And I'm not Ronaldo, I'm not Messi, so we got to get it how we can. So right now, again, no clear direction. We never broke the 680, so if you had your stops there, you're still in it. But we still have about 8 minutes left, so we'll see what happens. So, but right now it's like literally you're seeing traders, like anytime I look at these candlesticks now, it's like I see other traders' fortunes and mishaps every single time, man. And it's crazy because they're just candles, but they mean so much. So much is in that candle. So, it's kind of crazy to see, man, because these candles only move when somebody buys and somebody sells. So that means there's a winner and a loser. And are you going to be the winner or the loser? So yesterday I was the loser. I took the L on the chin, came back stronger than ever, and it shows, man. So you could have went out of yesterday and been like, man, now I'm only up $200 in my account, right? You could have that mentality, or you could be like, wow, I have $200 in my account. I'm a genius. Like I still made that $200, right? Like you can make that in a day. That's more than I'd probably say 90% of people make. Right. So, yeah, man. I mean, that's in one day. So, so, crazy, crazy time.
Two pork tenderloins in the freezer. I'm pulling one out today. I have full pork for dinner.
What's going on, you guys? It's January 30th. It's a Tuesday. It's a beautiful day. We're up $1,600 for the day. We were able to capitalize on a couple positions here. I kind of want to go through and recap them with you guys real quick. And if you guys want to see more of my live trading, you can go to my Twitch, YouTube. It's all there live and on stream every single day of the week. You see me make money, you see me lose money, but let's go on to the reviews. So this morning I took a quick buy here on the NQ. Quick buy. I took a short position here, hoping for this move down that happened a little bit later, but got stopped out for about $400. Then what we did was we came back and we flipped it. We saw this big red candle here, and what we did was short this position here. What we basically took this same trade earlier. This is, again, having confidence in your strategy, knowing what you're looking for, sticking to your plan, realizing, hey, my first one didn't work out. I cut my losses, $400. Let me go ahead and place another trade because I really believe, hey, this is where we're going. It's a smart trade. So took a short here, and then we rode this wave all the way down to kind of around here, I would say, because what we were looking for was a break of this structure. These 2 points right here, we were looking for a break of that. That's where this candle came in. We were selling. We had about 5 contracts selling into the ass there. So what we ended up doing as well is what we saw over here. Because we had broken these new lows, okay, which is what I'm looking for, everybody's thinking short sell, right? Everybody wants to get their piece of the short sell. So what I know is right here at 822, we're about 10 minutes away from market open. Okay, so the market has to come back before it can go any lower. So what's happening is I took a buy here and then rode the buys all the way up to about here, about previous resistance where I had originally sold it at. So we made money both directions. Now, all in all, I was able to secure about $1,600 for the day in about 30 minutes. But the best part was now that we're not trading anymore, because we got to have a limit for the day, right? The market has been choppy since market open. This is a war zone. Now, I called these shorts moving up here. If I was, talking about 1680s being the stop, I've called those shorts, okay? Now, even if you caught these moves late with me, I still am giving you guys trade opportunities throughout the day, okay? This is value, right? You may not all be here for market open, but we can provide value even after that, right? Right, I'm saying take these shorts. Why do I take these shorts? Because it's a fake out. We have to retest this bottom now. I really feel like we have to retest these bottoms, right? The market kind of gave us a clue, so to speak. And this is in one of my videos, I talk about understanding the language of what you're trading. It's kind of giving you clues. Now, we're 2 minutes away from the news coming out. So one of two things may happen. We may melt a little bit sooner than we expect, or we can come back to our original entry point, maybe move a little bit higher, maybe again fake out to the buys and then come short is what I would personally be looking for. Because I just personally believe that the market can go a little bit lower, or at best retest the lows. At least check, hey, is this really the low? So as you can see right now, we're kind of pushing up. Now, what that may indicate is we may push up above this 1680. We might push above it. 1 minute before. And if we do, that means when news comes out, we might be short. Or we push up a little bit high. Let's see. I really believe that the shorts will be the way here. So let's wait and see. We got about 40 seconds until we get that news posting. So we've had a lot of traders probably not make a lot of money market open. So you got to understand tilt is probably at its high. People probably have lost money, not made what they thought they were, because honestly, this market is super choppy. Super choppy. If you were in that, that's a blender. That's what I'm gonna call that. That's the blender. So people are getting eaten up. There's wicks everywhere. It's crazy today. But you know, this is a very good week for trading. Don't think this is gonna be your only trading opportunity. We have a lot more trading opportunity with NFP coming up this Friday. Non-farm payrolls, a big week in the markets. It's an election year. Dude, let's make some money this year. So here we go. Okay, here we go. We're getting that. Okay, so if we get to these lows, which we will, because this is a big red candle. Okay, 16, right here, 648. I mean, boom, boom. You take it. You take it. You exit most of your positions. You leave a runner. Okay? You leave a runner. This candle right here is somebody's dreams coming true. Okay? In 1 minute, somebody could have made thousands of dollars. Why didn't I take this trade, you ask? Because I'm done for the day. Okay? You see that 1600? That means we're done. Okay? We are done. So I'm looking, my goal every single day is to make 1 to 2% for the market daily. Okay. Holy. So now we're breaking these lows. So you can easily sell. And then what will happen is you place a little buy. No, I wouldn't place a buy right there. But yeah, we're just breaking it down. Let's see. We've come down. Are we going to break the lows at 1632? Okay, so we did. So now we're breaking even the lows of lows. So now we're at 16. Oh, wow. 626, 624. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Okay. Holy, wow. 621. Wow. 619. Oh, my gosh. 616. Oh my gosh. Oh, holy crap, fellas. This is a great day to be on the stream. If you missed out today, shame on you. Holy. This is what you dream of right here. This is the Mona Lisa of of candles right now. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Right? And then you can ride the small wave up maybe to 636. Easily 636. You could ride that wave up. There's plenty of move up. There's so much room to move up. We're not going short yet. We got to have a big green candle. Yes. Boom. 636. Boom. Exit again. This is gold, fellas. This is gold. I don't think you guys are understanding. There's a reason that I don't be trading all day is because you feel like you're invincible, and that's not a good thing. You don't want to feel invincible because that's when greed can come into play. Trading should not really be exciting. It really should actually be very boring, right? It's all about patience, understanding when to get in the market, right? Like market open killed everybody just to have these 2-minute candles. These 2 candles did more than a whole hour of movement. If you really think about that, people suffer for a whole hour when they know news is coming up at 9. They're not patient. You're asking, Omar, why? Why did you take trades? Like, because I saw my opportunities. I have a certain criteria. I personally really don't like to trade news all that often. And if I do, it's with very limited risk. Like we're talking like 0.5%, maybe 1% if I'm feeling a little bit crazy, because news sometimes, depending on how it develops on the chart, can be somewhat of a gamble. Now, I felt pretty good about this trade being a short just because of the pre-market that we, basically market open. Because we didn't move much market open, it gave me the confidence to be like, once that news hits, this is where the move is going to begin. So, yeah, it's nice to see this kind of develop, and we're just getting started this week. So tomorrow we have some federal fund rates. We have a FOMC statement. We do have some employment cost indexes. Thursday we have the manufacturing PMI, and then Friday, lo and behold, we have NFP. So huge week in the markets. You can make a lot of money this week. First week of the month. We're in February, or moving into February. Like, we're starting the second month of the year. So if you didn't use your first month of the year to get to where you needed to be, if you didn't set a routine, you didn't do what you needed to, you didn't go to the gym, you didn't do the things that you said you were going to do, now is the time to do it. Right? I'm not talking about tomorrow. Right now is the time to do it, because you honestly, you don't even get 1 month off if you're not where you want to be. Okay, so not going into February, don't do it, because if you don't have a routine going into February, at least into March, you're done for the year. You're cooked. You're waiting for the next year. Even the camera couldn't handle me because it knew I was speaking the truth. It wanted to shut down. Okay, right? So be the best version of yourself that you can be, and that's by waking up, doing what you need to do every day, and whatever it is to you, you just got to do it, and do it well, and do it consistently. Okay, I believe in you. You believe in you, or at least you should believe in yourself, because we're all destined for great things. It's just, do you want to put in the work or not? Okay. My worst fear in life, I get nightmares, man, is not being who I said I was going to be. That's my nightmare. Not trying my hardest, not suffering, not going through pain. Like, I'm looking to do that every day, because every day that I do suffer, I go through pain. Life's hard. It just makes those victories even sweeter. So you got to enjoy the pain. Pain's got to hit you in the face, and you got to swallow it and say, I want more. Thank you. So now that news has come out, and we're kind of flopping to either side, I really wouldn't have taken any other trade. I would have taken those buys up, that sell down. I mean, we can make money both ways. It doesn't matter. We can make money both ways. We're not looking for it to get at a certain point. We're looking for a strategy, a pattern that we see time in and time out. So I'm going to end the stream. This was a great stream. If you guys want more of this, let me know. Comment, subscribe, give me your feedback. Actually, let me know if you made some money today. But other than that, like, you guys have a great day. It's Tuesday. It's 9:07 in the morning. Make sure you have your to-do list. Get what you need done today, and keep working hard, folks. I'll see you tomorrow.